This video is for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Chia seeds are often called one of the healthiest foods in the world, but here's what most people do not realize. If chia seeds are eaten the wrong way, they can cause serious digestive discomfort, and in some cases, even become unsafe for many people. Welcome back to the Mindhunters. In this video, we explain the science behind how chia seeds work in the body, the correct daily amount, and 3 simple recipes that make them both safe and effective. So, stay with us for just 3 minutes. Chia seeds are nutritionally dense. What makes them unique is their ability to absorb liquid up to 10 to 12 times their weight. When soaked properly, they form a gel made of soluble fiber. This same property, however, is also the reason chia seeds must never be eaten dry. If you eat dry chia seeds directly, or sprinkle them over food without soaking, this can lead to throat discomfort, choking risk, bloating, or digestive blockage, because dry chia seeds continue to absorb liquid even after swallowing. So, hydration is not optional. It is essential for safety and absorption. Now, here are the 3 safe and science-backed chia seed recipes. Recipe 1. Chia seed and lemon hydration drink. This is a light and refreshing option for people who dislike thick chia textures. To make, add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds to 1 glass of lukewarm water, add the juice of half a lemon, and optionally a pinch of cinnamon. Let chia seeds sit in water for at least 30 minutes until fully expanded. Remember to add lemon only after soaking. It works because the hydrated fiber supports digestion and blood sugar control, while citric acid from lemon may improve mineral absorption. Reduce lemon quantity if acid reflux or stomach sensitivity is present. Recipe 2. Chia herbal tea infusion. This option works well for people who prefer warm beverages. To make, soak 1 tablespoon of chia seeds in water for at least 30 minutes. Prepare herbal tea such as ginger or cinnamon and allow the tea to cool slightly. Add the soaked chia gel to the herbal tea and stir. Adding chia after cooling preserves its fiber structure, while herbal compounds support digestion and circulation. Recipe 3. Chia seeds with fruit-infused water. This method improves taste and supports daily hydration. To make, add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds to 1 liter of water, add sliced cucumber, berries, or citrus, and let it sit for at least 1 hour. Stir immediately after adding chia seeds, and again after 10 minutes to prevent clumping. It works because soluble fiber supports gut motility, while higher water intake helps prevent constipation. Always consume chia water slowly, not all at once. The best time to take is morning or early afternoon. Maintain adequate water intake throughout the day. Extra care is needed if there is a history of swallowing difficulties, severe gastrointestinal conditions, any blood-thinning medications are being used, and persistent bloating or discomfort occurs. In these cases, start with very small amounts and consult a qualified healthcare professional if needed. So, chia seeds are not dangerous, but the improper preparation is. Soak first, control the dose. The rule is simple. If this video helped you understand the right way to use chia seeds, hit the like button and subscribe for more science-based nutrition content. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next video.